Delhi Assembly Speaker Vijender Gupta today said that Rule 280 of the Rules of Procedure will be reviewed and amended to align with the practices of the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha in accordance with the Government of National Capital Territory of Delhi Amendment Act 2021. Addressing media in New Delhi, Mr. Gupta said that the review will also focus on simplifying legislative language and introducing gender-neutral terminology, reflecting the Assembly's commitment to inclusivity, clarity, and equality in its functioning. Mr. Gupta added that best practices of both the Houses of Parliament will be incorporated in the rule book of the Delhi Assembly to do away with discrepancies and bring more clarity in the functioning of the House. He added that a meeting of the Rules Committee is also scheduled on 5th of this month. He said, as the newly constituted Delhi Assembly completes its 100th working day on Wednesday, a series of landmark reforms and achievements have been recorded in a short span of time. He added that a report card in this regard will also be released. Mr. Gupta also informed that in a major step toward financial transparency, 6 long-pending reports of the Controller and Auditor General, CAG, were tabled in the House during this period. He added that to strengthen audit follow-up mechanisms, the Assembly is developing a dedicated audit para-monitoring system, APMS, mobile application. This digital tool will enable real-time tracking of audit recommendations, improve compliance, and enhance financial oversight. He said, forthcoming monsoon session of Delhi Assembly will be paperless following the implementation of e-Vidhan application. Focal Alpha News.
Real news for real world.